Hello, good afternoon. This is Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. I'm here today in the show apartment of the brand new launch Berkeley by Soho. The show apartment is located here in Dubai Hills Estate, as well as the actual project itself. So I'm here to show you the show apartment. So as you come in, you've got this really fancy biometric door system. And as you come in, this is a 2-bed layout. So as you come in, you've got a nice entrance foyer with plenty of space around. So this is just one of the 2-bed layouts. To the right hand side as you come in, you've got your fully fitted kitchen. And just to be clear, these apartments come fully furnished, okay? So they come with Bosch appliances, fridge, freezer here, fridge above, freezer down below, and then you've got your oven, microwave, extractor fan, cooking range with 5 plates, and you've got your double sink here, plenty of storage everywhere. And then as you come out, you've got your guest washroom right here with storage, nice big mirror on the wall. Again, just to highlight, the property comes fully furnished as it is right now. You've got a recessed bar as well here. Very nice, elegant finishing. Location is perfect. The property is going to be located right at the entrance of the park in Dubai Hills. And as we know, Dubai Hills has got one of the largest parks in Dubai. So as you come back in the hallway, to the left-hand side, you've got your laundry, which has got your washing machine, as well as extra storage. And then bedroom here with an ensuite. Very large mirror on the wall, giving an illusion of space. Rainfall shower and your toilet. Suspended toilet and some niches there to put your decorations. Comes obviously with wardrobe space and very spacious bedroom. Fully furnished again. Perfect for Airbnb. Perfect for rental. Perfect for end users. Again, master bedroom, storage, bathroom as you come in. Very good large bathroom. Double sink, his and hers. Huge mirror on the wall, doubling the space effectively in the bathroom. Very nice finishing, very nice tiles. And then finally, this is the bedroom. So if you're interested in the property, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. My number is 0585 722 309. That's 0585 722 309. We'll just show you the living room and the kitchen once more. Yeah, so if you're interested, we've got studios, 1 and 2 beds. Please don't hesitate to contact us on the number provided. Thank you.